RubricLab is an eval harness for LLM agents. Define rubrics, run agents against test cases, score outputs with an LLM-as-judge, and compare runs in a web UI. I built this because repeatable agent evaluation had no clean open source tool. Architecturally, 3 layers. Rubric definitions are YAML files with criteria and weights. A runner dispatches your agent on each test case and captures structured traces. A judge module sends those traces to a model alongside your rubric and returns per criterion numeric scores. Everything persists in a local SQLite store. No separate server required. Setup is straightforward. Clone pip install, write a rubric YAML and call RubricLab eval. Results write to the local database. Then RubricLab serve opens the diff UI in the browser. The quick start here has the exact commands. Source is at github.com/ritikpaddles/RubricLab. This entire project was generated by an autonomous multi-agent system I designed. Drop a star if it's useful. I'm Ritik Patil.